Hello friends, welcome to Dedicated Co. We have already created a lot of videos on LAMP installation, but this video is specially creating for LAMP installation for the Centos, Fedora and Redhat operating system. If you wanted to watch for Ubuntu, the video is already shared in the description of this video, and also for the other operating system like Alma Linux, Cloud Linux and Rocky Linux. So you can able to follow that video, but this video is all about Centos, Redhat and Fedora. You can also follow the same process for Alma Linux and other operating systems. So let's begin. Since we wanted to install a LAMP, very first we need to update the packages. To update the packages, we can able to use this command. In case yum is not working, so that time you can able to use dnf. After successful update the local repository, it is time to install Apache. To install an Apache, we can able to use this command. Here yum has to be replaced with dnf if yum is not working. A similar case in all of the future commands. So now we can able to see that our Apache installation has been completed. Now we can able to start the Apache. And one more thing, whenever we reboot the system, Apache will not by default activate. To activate it, or you can say once the system is rebooted, so automatically Apache should be on if you want that. So that time you can able to use this command. After that, you can able to say that our Apache has been installed successfully. Now it is time for testing. You can see that we have successfully installed Apache. Now we will move towards the second part, that is MySQL installation. Here we are installing MariaDB as our database. To install a MariaDB, we can able to here it will ask for the permission, say yes. Here we have to do similar case like we did with Apache. First we will start the MySQL, and then we will enable it. Once system will reboot, it will automatically up. So that setting also we will do that. So MariaDB has been started. Now we need to enable MariaDB. So once system rebooted, it will automatically up. So now whenever we are talking about database, security is most important factor. So that time we can able to use this command. By this command we can able to do the proper things. Here enter current password for root, enter for none. So just I will enter this. Do you want to set a root password? Yes. So in this case I will add the password, and similar I will do it here. So you can anonymous user, do you want to remove? Yes. Next, disallowing root user, say yes. Test database we don't want, and reload privileges, so that will be reset, or you can say re-enable the MariaDB. So we have to say yes. After successful that, we have did primarily a database security. Now you can able to see that Apache, MariaDB both are installed successfully. Okay, to check the status, we can able to use this command, and here you can able to see that MariaDB is up and running. Now we have to move towards a next part, that is installation of PHP. To install a PHP, we need to install PHP with MySQL module. So you can able to see that PHP installation has been started, and it will ask for the permission, say yes. And after successful running all the commands, our PHP has been installed successfully. Now we need to restart our HTTPD, means Apache, because we just installed PHP. We have restarted the Apache, that means PHP is running now on. For the demonstration purpose, we will create a info.php file, and we will add some code, and after that save the file. Now the last step, that is we will check info.php from the browser. Just enter your IP address /info.php. After that, open this file, and here you can able to see that our PHP installation has been successful. So you can able to see that we have completed our entire process. Please make sure that in this video we have not covered few factors which are PHP modules, so like CLI and other modules. Second, firewall configurations. So we always recommend you to please watch our entire firewall video series and Ubuntu and Alma Linux, Cloud Linux based LAMP installation process, because in that we have in depth explained all of these factors, so you can able to get more understanding about PHP version change, how to change PHP version, also how to install the latest version of PHP and MySQL. So that also been covered by particular that videos. So in short, we recommend you to watch at least 2 videos. First one, firewall installations. So what is that? In that we have created multiple videos, so you go and watch them. And the second part one is like Alma Linux based LAMP installation you can able to watch, so you can able to get more understanding more easily and more features.